Okay, so we're in the kitchen and we're trying to talk to you. Is there anybody in here?
If there's somebody in here, can you knock on something or make some kind of sound or just any kind of noise that you can at all? Please.
Is it you who's been messing with my light switch and giving me nightmares, or is there somebody else out here? Is there anybody else out here? Any relatives? Do you want to give me a message? Is there anything you'd like to say to us? Can we help you with anything?
Do you hear that?
I don't hear anything. What? What are you talking about?
What the hell is that?
What?
Is that in here?
I hear something.
Dude,
What is that?
What is that?
Wait, it sounds like it's coming.
What is that?
What the hell is that?
Is that the grinder?
Uh,
Why is the grinder on?
Why is the grinder on? Did you just...
Oh my god. It's been plugged in, dude. Oh my god.
Wait, Really?
Yes, look.
Wait.
I've got the whole cord in my hand.
Let me see this. What the hell?
What the hell?
Oh my god, I'm caught up on here. Okay.
Look, this is the cord. I've got the whole cord in my hand. What the hell? Look, I've got chills. What is that?
How the hell is this on? Nobody's here.
It's plugged in, man. Dude. That's fucking creepy.
Yep.
It's in the off position. That's the on position. Does this light come on?
No.
No. You know why? Because it ain't plugged in. Oh my god, dude.
Okay, I don't understand what that...
Like, how does that happen? That is crazy. That is like totally blowing my mind right now. That is like totally blowing my mind.
Where is the plug?
It's right here. In my hand. You mean to plug it in?
Yeah.
Way up there on the wall. See it?
Uh-huh.
Look.
What's that?
It's this little outlet thing David's got plugged in when he was cutting all his wood for the bee thing. This, well, I guess it will reach, but, I mean, it's not plugged in.
Well, now it's not doing nothing.
Yes, it is.
No, I mean, like...
It's going down.
Like it stopped.
But a grinder don't damn turn on by itself. And then I turned it off. This is the off position. That's on. That's off. You've used it.
I know. I just don't understand how it's turning on by itself.
Maybe we need to do investigating here apparently. Jesus Christ, that scared the shit out of me. Look, I'm fucking sweating. Like, for real, that scared the shit out of me. Like, that's the biggest thing we've caught in ever so far. Because how does something like that come on without it being plugged in?
I don't know.
Okay.
I mean, all the
we should stay
electrical
in here.
things in here are so weird. I don't understand what's happening in this house.
Okay, but the electrical...
It wasn't even plugged in. I don't
You need to
know.
not sling that camera around so much. Make me dizzy. All right. Apparently you're telling us something. Can you do that again? Look, and I'm telling you, you can't be hurting people. It's okay for you to let us know that you're here. We got it. I'm like tripping balls that I don't even have. Give us another sign that you're here.
Can you turn it back on?
I might shit my pants if I'm standing here and that thing comes on.
Can you do something?
It's
You
some
have our
kind of-
attention.
And there's nobody home. You and I
No,
are the
there's
only
nobody
people
here. And the dogs and the cats.
Well, if somebody would have came through here, them dogs would have barked. And I'm sorry.
Well, I don't
How
think
is
cats
it gonna
can.
run unplugged?
Yeah, I don't think cats know how to turn on grinders.
Well, even if
So
they turn it on, it's unplugged.
I know.
Okay, watch. It's unplugged. Even if somebody turned it on,
I
it's
know.
still unplugged.
I know. Yeah. I mean,
It's not turning on for me unplugged.
my brain is sort of
The light doesn't work.
confused.
I mean, how does it turn itself on and not turn the light on with it? Oh, well, I guess, you have to flip this little thing. But still, it's missing plugged in. You can't get around
I know my
it.
brain's trying to wrap around it, and it just.
I'm
but-
really nervous to even stand close to it. I'm afraid-
Okay, don't chainsaw us or anything.
Okay.
Ooh, there's power saws and stuff in here too. If a power saw jumps up in the air, I'm running.
Okay, but
I'm
this
running
time
fast.
don't leave me behind.
Oh hell yeah, I'm gonna be first out of the.
Here, let me film you for a while. Cause seriously, if you take off running, I get the light this time. You left me in the woods once already.
Do you want this?
Oh yeah, it's better. It's easier to see.
Okay, look. I can't wrap my mind.
I know.
around
Are
it
you?
now. I just don't
I'm
know
tripping.
what to say. You have our attention. You have our attention. Are you trying to grind something? Do you want to sharpen a tool? Are you just trying to get our attention?
I'm just gonna do a little pan.
Do you
That is crazy.
need to tell us something? Or I'm just a little speechless right now because I don't understand.
You know what? Let's just double check and go through the house and make sure nobody's home. I get it's unplugged, but let's just make sure there's nobody here.
Yeah, there is nobody here.
Okay.
There's nobody here.
There's somebody here.
There's somebody here, but it's not somebody we're looking at with our eyeballs. There's some other power tools. This one doesn't have a battery. Can you turn that on? And there's no battery on that or anything like that.
No,
right?
do you know how old that thing is? There ain't no battery on it. That's the motor. That's the motor. That's the grinder. That's the This thing is so old. No, they did not do that back then, way back in the Stone Ages. Here. Yeah.
There's nothing.
It's a cord. It's a cord. And look, I'll follow the cord all the way down. There is the plug-in. Yeah, there there's no way this is too old. It's not gonna have a battery. And that thing in the middle is a, if it had a battery, it would partially come on. Or if it was something that held a charge, which it doesn't because it's old.
Yeah.
And then the thing is when you, okay, even if it was plugged in, and it wasn't obviously, then why wouldn't it, when I turned it off, did it not shut off? It kept going when I turned the off button. You seen me, it recorded that I flipped the switch both ways.
Yeah,
and it didn't change it. So, I don't understand. And the plug-in's way the hell over there. You can't even get to it for all the shit in here. Look. Sorry, I'm tripping. I'm just trying to figure it out. Yeah, the plug is way over there, and the cord's down over here. Unless it, like, magically jumped into the fucking plug and then jumped back out. But still, I hit the off button, and it didn't shut off.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna do another little pan in case. If you're in here, can you like make some kind of sound, or make something move? Like, come on.
Like, do something else.
You can't get us all riled up and then not do anything.
Do something else.
Give
Verify.
us some sign that you're here. What the hell was that?
I don't know.
Like, seriously, did you hear that?
Yeah, I did hear that. It sounded like it was coming from this table. Not like a mouse up there or anything, is there? Like...
There ain't no mice. Do you know how many kitties they have? I'm not kidding.
Kitties eating all
She's
the
got
front.
like freaking 20 cats, and that's just the babies.
Was that you?
Okay.
Can you do something?
Can you do something else? Can you move something on this table or knock on something? Talk to us. Make some kind of sound.
Any kind of sound. Just do
Like, make it, like, for real. Come on, if you could turn a damn grinder on, you can do better than that.
Turn on another power tool. Could you turn on the lawnmower? Do you like to mow the lawn?
Here, turn on the lawnmower. Look, let me show you. There's no key in the lawnmower. There's no key. Okay, there is. I'm sorry, there is a key in the lawnmower. But I'm not going to use the key. It's in the off position. I don't even know how to use it anyways. Look, the key's in the lawnmower. It should be easy for you to start. Can you start the lawnmower? Come on.
Do something. What about over there?
What about this? What about the wood chipper?
What about over here? There's all kinds of stuff you can use. Over here. Knock something off one of these walls.
Look, there are all these tools and stuff all over this garage. Can you like just push something forward or knock it off the wall? Do something, man. Come on. Do something. Look, there's a whole bunch of stuff that'd be easy for you to just tap and knock off the wall. Can you do that? Can you knock it off the wall? What the hell? Fucking grinder came on again. Dude.